Do you struggle to stay focused for even an hour? Imagine if you could channel your energy and focus for 12 hours a day. Just think of the goals you could crush, the dreams you could make real, and the life you could build. It's possible, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to train your focus like a muscle. The biggest barrier to success today isn't a lack of opportunities, it's distractions. Social media, endless notifications, and our habits keep us from staying locked in. But here's the truth. Focus isn't a talent, it's a skill. And just like any skill, it can be trained. Let me show you how. Step 1. Build the right mindset. The foundation of focus starts with your mindset. You need to know why you're doing this. What's the big dream you're chasing? Is it building a business, acing exams, or writing a book? Visualize what 12 hours of pure focus every day could do for your future. Now, here's the twist. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Adopt a growth mindset. Accept that you'll have bad days, but remember, every moment of focus strengthens your ability to do it again tomorrow. Step 2. Start small and build gradually. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is your focused stamina. Start with just 2 to 3 hours of focused work each day. Break it into smaller chunks if needed, and slowly increase your capacity weekly. Think of it like running a marathon. You wouldn't start with 26 miles on day 1. Focus is a muscle. Train it wisely. Step 3. Master the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is your secret weapon. Work for 25 to 50 minutes, then take a 5 to 10 minute break. These breaks aren't about scrolling on your phone, they're for stretching, breathing, or grabbing a glass of water. Over time, you can extend these focus blocks as your stamina improves. The goal isn't to sprint, it's to sustain. Step 4. Eliminate distractions. Distractions are the enemy of focus. To fight back, create a distraction-free zone. Use apps like Forest or Focus at Will to stay on track. Turn off notifications, or better yet, keep your phone in another room. Make sure your workspace is clean and uncluttered. Every unnecessary item is an invitation to lose focus. Step 5. Optimize your environment. Your environment shapes your focus. A clean, organized workspace can do wonders for your mind. Add noise-canceling headphones to block out distractions, or play calming background music. Lighting also matters. Natural light boosts energy and helps you stay alert. Optimize your space, and you'll notice the difference. Step 6. Practice deep work. Deep work is where the magic happens. This is focused, distraction-free time, spent on tasks that require your full attention, like problem-solving, learning, or creating. Author Cal Newport describes it as the superpower of the 21st century. Block a specific time each day for deep work and protect it fiercely. This is your golden hour. Step 7. Prioritize health and energy. Focus isn't just mental, it's physical. Sleep, hydration, and nutrition fuel your brain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, drink plenty of water, and eat foods that support cognitive health like nuts, berries, and fish. Add light exercise to your routine to keep your energy levels steady. A healthy body equals a sharp mind. Step 8. Build a daily routine. Discipline thrives on routine. Start your mornings with a plan. List your hardest tasks first and tackle them when your energy is highest. Use afternoons for deep work and save light tasks for the evening. A structured day minimizes decision fatigue and keeps you moving forward. Step 9. Review and reflect daily. At the end of each day, take 5 minutes to review. What went well? What distracted you? What can you improve tomorrow? Journaling or using focus tracking apps can help you spot patterns and refine your process. Reflection turns practice into progress. Focus isn't about being perfect. It's about building momentum, one small step at a time. Start today. Dedicate just 2 hours to distraction-free work. In a month, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. Let me know your progress in the comments, and let's build this journey together.